Hi, I'm Alton. Of course, if you're in a condo, home, or an apartment, you're going to have to redo this as suggested every 6 months. Now, this just so happens to be the GE Profile French door refrigerator, and we're just going to go in and we're going to replace the water filter in the refrigerator here. Now, you will find that most of your refrigerators on the market today will use a water filter. This one just so happens to be the XWFE. I did pick this up from Home Depot. Very easy to install. First we'll do the wrapping here. I try not to touch it everywhere. Of course, while unwrapping, I do find that most of them are wrapped in plastic. We'll set that over to the side. And once you open, we're going to remove a couple of the items I already have stored here. So once removed, you can see where water filter. Ta-da! And of course, it's just popping your door open. Water filter is going to be found here. On the side of the label, it says actually do a half turn. Just remember, as you're taking it out, just put the next water filter back in as you're same way you took it out. So if we're here, you're just going to take it and slowly pop it out. So once you have the lid open, just take it and pull forward. You can't overdo it. I mean, it's going to stop you. So if you're overdoing it or whatsoever, you're being ultra aggressive. So once you're there, everything in life is either clockwise or counterclockwise. So you're just going to grab it, as you can see if I'm doing here, and spin. We're going to go counterclockwise to take it out. So once you have it there, we're going to spin all the way. And you can see here, there's a little indentation. There's your arrow there. Once your arrow pops out and is seeable, you can just take it and stop at that point. Once you have it, you can take and you're just going to hold. I always like to hold it just here and then hold the filter itself. So you just take it and pull straight out. We are going to take it and we're going to put it right back in the way that it was. So you remember the arrow and everything there. So arrow's there. We're going to take it and you can see the inserts. And you basically want to insert it just as it looks, which is just as there. And once inserted, you can see the notch here. Take it, pushed in, and once you have it pushed in, now you're going to go clockwise. Just take it and twist. So as you take it and twist, everything tends to go right back into position here. So even if you don't have it all the way pushed in, notice how it just grabbed and it actually pulled itself in. And now that I have it in, that's exactly how I took it out. You can see where the XWFE is facing me, and your arrow, you can no longer see it. So from there, you're just going to take it and push right back into place. Close your door. You're all done as far as inserting the filter. Now, there's a couple things that GE or most of your refrigerators will have you to do once you have inserted a new filter. Filter install, I can go ahead and shut my door. And the directions will simply say you want to fill 2 gallons of water. Or you just want to use your filter and your water dispenser for 2 gallons of water to filter through that newly installed filter. So once we press, you'll notice here, you're going to get a little air to start. And that's exactly why they have you to filter out about 2 gallons of water before you actually start to use or drink it. And of course, as you can see, it's pretty nasty along the bottom. Some of the things that are just settled into the filter. Of course, you will now begin to filter that out, and nice clean water for you to drink. Coming up on 64 ounces here. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this one and move on to the next 64, next gallon. So as you can see, that's 64 ounces. There's a lot of settlement inside of that. That is settled in the filter itself. And of course, we're just going to filter through, which is the main reason why they tell you to filter out 2 gallons before you start to drink this stuff. So if you're the type of person that does not filter your water after applying the filter or new filter to your refrigerator, this is the difference. So as you can see there, versus the second 64.